fix Xender app not working problem. So if you want to fix the Xender app not working problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your search and you need to search for Xender application. After searching this application, now if you have any updates under the application, you need to just go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps. And here under apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to search for the application, which is Xender. But in my case, I don't have the application. You can just simply go and open up your Xender after searching it. And then you will have this kind of interface. You will have the app information. You can go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK for Xender. And this might fix your problem. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that you allow the permissions. You can go with app permissions. Under app permissions, you can just simply scroll down and make sure that you allowed all of the permissions like your photos and videos. Tap on allow, go with your phone, allow, and then SMS, and allow each and every permission. After allowing the permission, you can go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you can fix Xender app not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.